Hey, hello YouTube, this is me again. Just showing off some upgrades I've done to my 2017 Honda Grom. This video I'm going to talk about the Bedliner cover that I put on the bodywork for this Honda. I bought this Honda used, and the bodywork had some issues, cracks here and there, scuffs, different colors. So I decided that I was going to paint it all one color, and instead of going with a conventional paint job, I thought, if this bike goes down and I get some scratches on the Bedliner, I can just go back with Bedliner and spray over it, and it won't be very difficult to improve that look or fix the damage just by respraying it with Bedliner. So what I did was I used the Raptor brand Bedliner, and I was actually able to do the entire body work with 2 coats with less than 1 bottle. I had probably about 20% of a bottle left over when I was done spraying, and that's with extra pieces. So basically I just took all the body work off, scuffed it with a scuff pad. I used their adhesion promoter, spray can of adhesion promoter. That took less than a can to coat the entire body, and then I just sprayed it piece by piece. You can see this. This is a blood red color from Custom Shop. That was the color I used. I used the tintable Raptor liner, and I sprayed the fender. This is some aftermarket lower fairings that I got from Amazon. This had a little bit of black in it. I didn't like the extra black. I thought it made the fairing look smaller. So I went in and sprayed the whole fairing in the red. I left the gray accents here. This part is also gray. So I decided to paint that red or spray it red with the rest of the body work, so to give it more of a tank look to it. The tail section, the insert here, this unbolts from the gray part, so I just sprayed this part around the lock. And then the rear fender, I didn't want to spray the whole rear fender red, so this part kind of looks, your mud flap is the part that I decided to mask off. So I painted this part red and left the rest of this black. So I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, I also took off the stock headlight, and I put a 7-inch round headlight, and I installed this MGO Viper fairing. And I put in some aftermarket turn signals. Start her up. So I really like the way that looks over the stock headlight, and with that fairing I get a little bit of a windscreen to help shed some of that air off of myself. It also covers the speedometer, which I like the way that looks. Wasn't very difficult to install. I just screwed it down to a bracket. The blinkers also screw to that same bracket, and then back in here, these are aftermarket handlebars, but there used to be a little strut that went across the handlebars. I just used these to make some brackets to stiffen up the headlight. So now the windshield. So now the windshield is nice and stiff. It's not going to flop around. And let me turn it off. And I think the Raptor paint job turned out pretty well. So if you like it, let me know. Leave some comments, and as always, subscribe. And I'll talk to you next time, YouTube. Thank you.